Hi, my name is Madhu from Taglio Tool. Today we are going to discuss about end mills and types of end mills. End mills is basically used for VMC and HMC machine to machine your required desired components using one single flute, two flute, three flute, four flute, five flute, six flute, and seven flute. Its end mills are selected depending on your application. First of all, we'll go with one single flute end mill. Why single flute end mills are used and on which application? Single flute end mills are used in mainly on sheet metal, aluminum sheet metal, where your aluminum fabrication work or your thickness of sheet is less than 3 mm, 4 mm. Mainly, it is used in a router machine where you can do outer thing and inner thing. There, it is recommended for a single flute. Two flute end mill also used in aluminum as well as steel. You can use it. Without coating end mills are used in aluminum. With coating end mills are used in steel material. Mainly, it is you can do slotting and side milling everything. What is the advantages in two flute mill? Your core diameter will be the 50%, and you can give a more chip can flow easily. This is since it is in 50% of core diameter, so hence it's recommended for aluminum where your chip volumes are more and it will get out very easily. Now the evolution, earlier we were using two flute. Now the after conducting so many research and development, now the all tool makers are come up with a three flute as well, where you can increase your feed rate and same efficiency it can work. When you are having a only slotting application, then two flute will be suggested. Where in a side milling and both slotting you have, definitely you can go with an three flute end mill. It will help you to reduce your cycle time so that your productivity also will get increased. Even three flute, you can see there is a inside polished one, everything wherever the tool you can see, you can use it. That is also one good tools nowadays for aluminum. Without coating is recommended. Sometimes you can go with a DLC coating. DLC is a diamond like coating where aluminum is required higher feed rate and higher cutting speed. Then also three flute you can use it for steel material as well as other material like titanium, everything, but it has to be coated. Now uncoated tools are will give much lesser tool life. Better you can use it coating tools. Then again four flute is like a general, you can go with anybody. Four flute will available in standard variant is in market. It can used as a slotting, side milling, and all the operation where you can interpolish everything. And this is a kind of basic, till four flute and all. Then again is a five flute. Five flute are mainly to increase your productivity as well as cut down your cycle time. Why? Because of it is having a one more flute extra and you can run with higher feed rate. Then the efficiency also good compared to the four flute in side milling, as well as somewhere it is recommended for slotting as well, where you have a very soft kind of material. Then it is seven flute. Seven flute is highly recommended for side milling only. If you want to do slotting, it has to be an helical interpolation, where we called as a dynamic milling. In that, it will be useful seven flute, because you can go with an higher feed rate as well and parameter. Where there is a constraint about only you can engage with APAE. AP you can engage more. AE you can engage up to the 10% of the tool diameter. This is the one thing. In other case, where in a four flute you can engage with an side zero point 0.3 AE and AP 1.5 D. In slotting, you can engage D by D. These are all the basic difference with these kind of end mills. So this is the basic. Again, we'll come back with other topic where you can do more. You want to know more about end mills and other thing, particularly with any specific application. Definitely I will help you to come out with a topic which you are want to learn something on that. Thank you for watching.